Hello, this is Marc Vendrell, and this is my submission for the last project of the semester for Mathematics 2 at UPC CTM. um, for this project, we were tasked with rotating a cube and expressing this rotation in several different ways of expressing it. For starters, this software will show you how what the rotation in rotation vector, in Euler angles, in quaternions, in Euler axis angle, and in a rotation matrix. By the way, I have used Unity to create this, this software. The user can also rotate the cube with the WSD keys. W and S will rotate the cube in the x-axis. A and D will rotate it in the y-axis, and Q and E will rotate it in the z-axis. Also, hitting the reset will put the cube at its started position again. Also, we are able to move the camera up to a maximum to look at the cube from every single possible angle. Also, it is possible to zoom in with M and zoom out with N. For every possible position, it will always calculate all of the ways I have mentioned to express the rotation of the cube. I have also created a way to input some values as input, and then change every single expression of the rotation based on the input you have given. For example, I will use I will insert a rotation vector in order to change every single value to this rotation vector. Also, it can be done with yaw, pitch, and roll, the Euler angles. And it can also be done with quaternions. And when we insert quaternion, the cube will rotate, and every single way of expressing the rotation will also change. Finally, we can also input a rotation as an Euler axis angle. And that's the end of my submission.